Okay, so I am here on the AliExpress site, and what I'm going to do is type in Lego balls, and actually it came up GBC because I was searching for it before, but they are there. You can find them just under Lego balls, but if you put GBC in, you'll find them as well. So these are the ones that I picked here. Couple different options. You can get 10 pieces for like $5 or something like that. Between five to $10 for 10 pieces, which are more closer to the original Lego balls with the printing and that on them. So if you really want something that's very close and even has the little dimple on the top there, or you can just get the generic ones, and you can get them in any color that you would like. And they're in lots of 300, which is pretty dang good for like $33.35 Canadian, and that's to your door. That includes the shipping because there is free shipping here to Canada. So it takes about it's a little short than 3 weeks, but it only took me 2 weeks. Geez, those ones remind me of the cherry bombs we used to get and get at the corner store as kids. Oh man, the flavor of that bubble gum. I can smell it now still, 40 years later. Anyway, sorry about that. You can get the pastel colors like the ones that I purchased, or the solid colors. So there's everything available there. So you have a full range to pick from. So yeah, they don't come in a little case like that. I don't know. Maybe that's just showing you the size of them type of thing. There's a video there, but they do come in bags like this. They're in bulk, and they came in another bag, of course, mailer bag. Yeah, so it doesn't have any names on it or anything, so it's just an alternate type of brick. But there's no dimples on them. There's no holes in them like the beads, like some of the beads. And some of the holes, like if we go to here and say, okay, the dimples, they're pretty good. But sometimes the beads with holes in them can catch on the corner of a plate or something. But never really had that happen, but the potential is there. These ones are solid. They are 14 millimeters. This one shows a hole in it. Like I said, they don't have holes in them, but you never know. Maybe you'll get some with holes in it. I don't know, because, they are what they are. But they are 14 millimeter, and that's what you need for GBC. And of course, they got this as right here, building block mock compatible with that, and GBC EV3 conveyor belt special 14 millimeter ball. So they're made for GBCs, and they work well. Let me tell you, I pumped them through, and as a test here before I actually go with them to the show next weekend, and they worked well. So there's the name of the store, YNYNOO. I can't pronounce them, Wino or something, Mock Rebrickable Parts Store. They have other stuff there as well. They have all kinds of balls. So if you're looking to get some balls, 14 millimeters are the ones that you want. Now, if you want other sizes, you can get them too, but 14 millimeters is your GBC size. Alternatively, you can buy from MacLeod. They have balls as well. So we just go into their shop here, and we shall find where they are in balls, and it'll come up soccer balls. And here we go. First one. Soccer balls for GBC, and they're $22.77 US for a pack of 100. And right now it looks like they just have colored ones. The 100 packs pure white are sold out, and they want $22.77. So still almost 2.5 times the price of the balls that I purchased. And if you're in Canada like me, then you're going to end up paying exchange on this, and probably tax and duty when it comes over the border. So it's going to be up in the $30 range. So it's going to be about 3 times the price of what what I got at AliExpress for the 300. So, but these ones look like the real basketballs. They have the lines in them and everything, and it's got like little holes in them and that. Now, mind you, these are not true Lego ones. These are also a generic ball that these people had made. Right there, it says right on their bag, from China. So, but they're selling them, and guys are using them in their GBCs, and they seem to work well. Let's move on. There's another place that you can buy them from. If you're in Europe, it's PV Productions. They have balls as well. I think it's under accessories. He has some GBC funnels there that are 3D printed. Here it is here. GBC balls from 16.95 euros and up for 50 balls. So this seems to be even more expensive in the Canadian dollar. So I'm not... but he does have glow-in-the-dark ones there, so that's kind of neat. Also orange, white, sold in sets of 50 for 16.95 euros. $24 Canadian for 50 balls. So, so it's 50 for 100. So it'd be $150 for 300 when I paid 33. So that's kind of like on the expensive side of things for sure. Now, if we go back to Brick Loot, 22.77 Canadian. Let's do this. 22.77 American. It's going to be $30.52 Canadian. Now, you're also going to end up paying tax, which is here. It's 15%. You got to bring it over. So we'll say 30.52 times. That is $35. And then maybe duty on, there may be duty on that. It's hard to say. So $35 for 100. So, you know, that's about close to 100. It's over, yeah. Let's see what it is. Yeah, it's over 100. $105 for 300 balls. So once again, AliExpress, still the cheapest. And since I did the first part of this video, I ran them for 16 hours straight in my GBC modules at the show, and they work fantastic, the Chinese ones. So at Amazon.fr for France, you can get the marble refills, Corsetti marble refills. Now these are 19 millimeters. That's not what you want. 14 millimeters. Here they are right here. They're $5 or $5. Listen to me, €5.90 or 5.90 euros. I don't know how it runs over there. Now apparently this one says includes the VAT, which is a tax over there. But there's only 100 pieces, so 5.90 euros would be, so it would probably be the cheapest, but getting them to Canada, once again, the shipping is going to be ridiculous on them, and then you're going to have to pay duty and taxes, I know, because it's coming from Europe. So it's going to be a rough price of $8.63, which is pretty good for 100. So 8.3 is 24. So it's a little cheaper than the Chinese ones base price, but then we got to add in shipping and everything else, so it's going to still be way over $33. So I would say still the best deal is the AliExpress ones if you can get them. And just to show you the original Lego soccer and basketballs and their pricing, how ridiculous it is, we shall go here to We gotta go into shop and do pick and build. And pick and build, I guess. It's pick a build or pick a brick. They're changing things around here. Yeah, there it is. Pick a brick, same thing. So, of course, all these come up in the most popular ones. So let's just put in balls, and we will get the soccer ball comes up right here. They're 14.2 millimeters, $1.05 Canadian a ball. So that would be like $300 without shipping. Well, it'll probably be free shipping from Lego, but still $300 and some odd cents because of the 5 cents there. Okay, so let's say the balls are $1.05 each. Let's do the calculator thing here. Times 300. $315, and times that by our tax, which is 15%, $363 for 300 balls. Holy crap, that's ridiculous. Okay, now the orange ones, if you want the orange ones, they are $1.18 a ball. I don't know why there's a difference, in just because the color, I guess. It's $354. $468 for 300 balls. Lego's out to lunch. I hate to tell you. They won't be selling them. Only the purest guys that really want them will be buying them at that price. But no, that's ridiculous. They'll source them out elsewhere. And no wonder the guys for building the GBCs are going elsewhere to get different balls, because these prices are just like, for that quantity. I'm just checking to see if there's any more with balls on it. No. So for that quantity, Lego's out to lunch, so we wouldn't even consider buying from them. So anyway, that's it for today. Talk to you again the next time. Have fun playing with your marbles.